How to keep apps in memory on Samsung. Want to keep an important app running in the background on your Samsung phone? In this video, I'll show you how to keep an app open in memory with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Step 2. Open Device Care. Scroll down and tap Device Care. Step 3. Open Memory. Tap Memory to view your phone's RAM usage. Step 4. Open Recent Apps. Swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen to open recent apps. Step 5. Select the app. Find the app you want to keep in memory and tap its app icon at the top of the preview. Step 6. Tap Keep Open. From the menu, tap Keep Open. Step 7. Check the lock icon. A lock icon will appear on the app, confirming that it will be kept open in the background. And that's it. Your selected app will now stay open in the background. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more simple Samsung tips and tricks.